Today we will play a game with my friend. We will play Roblox with my friend. Playing Roblox with my friend.
Oh wait, I see you on the next level.
Alright, let's go in.
Now it's time to jump.
Alright, Jackson, I'm loading in.
Wow, area.
Guys, I'm going all the way up. I am just flying.
Oh,
I think I'm
start
there too.
from speed stuff.
Guys, I'm
On
not even.
the Lost Land. I like Blade Ball and Jeff more. And Jeff
Oh,
Road and Hide and Seek and Stream.
I almost missed it.
Are you not gonna play with me?
Oh, have you ever played RV Cook?
No.
Yeah, we gotta play RV Cooked again.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you know what? I think I'll just land in the booth.
Okay, do you want me to join it?
We gotta play RV Cooked again. We're playing RV Cooked.
I can't believe we just figured out how that works. That's pretty bad.
Okay, about to join you.
There's like a corn capsule.
Yeah. Look at all these people. Oh wait, I can drive this car. I'm driving away. I'm driving away. I'm driving away. I'm driving away. Driving away.
I'm driving away. I'm driving away.
Wait, Jackson, my game is running.
No.
I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping.
I was wrong. For now, I was glitching, so let's go outside. Wait, I want the snake to join. Go, 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 go! Yeah! Oh! Go to your next destination!
Alright, big brain, it's time to keep on training. We're already at like 15 million coins. This is sick. Wait, can anybody check
Let's
the
just
book?
skip, you know. Alright, we are back! Look at this quickly, then, Jackson. I love it! Here we go.
15?
Yeah.
I already got that.
50 now?
Oh, 50. I do. Wait, I do.
Alright, I got it.
We have to go over here. There's a place thingy.
Alright,
Alright, I'm top of the book for 15 million coins. I just bought it.
I'm coming.
Wow.
I need to win and a friend win. But Jackson, you're not driving? Are you driving? Never mind. I'm just gonna sit down. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Jackson, what is happening? Oh my god. Well, here we go. Oh god. Can I go up the car? We definitely need to finish this. Oh gosh, I'm never gonna be done. Jackson, we definitely need to finish this. Woo! We're driving good tonight. We're driving freaking good tonight. Look at that nice tree. Jackson, I'm gonna go to sleep, alright?
What?
I'm gonna go to sleep, alright?
Okay.
I'm gonna
Oh shit. I clicked the parking brake.
oh my god, what is happening? Oh, Jackson, slow down!
I'm only in first gear. I'm going in first gear.
Oh my god, that was really crazy. This game has good physics. This game has good physics. This game has some good physics. Hey, we finally passed our high score. Maybe no? No. We need to still get to the lodge. And then we do our high score. Oh my god, this is rough. Oh god!
Are you good? Are you good?
Yeah, you got this? Oh no! That was awesome. Huh. Yo, fucking Jackson! Yo, fucking Jackson! Ah! Yo, cooking, Jackson. Yo, cooking, Jackson. You're cooking this Aussie, bro. You cooking this Aussie, bro. Jackson, you cooking this Aussie, bro. Yo, this game has good cooking, I swear.
Oh, we're already in the game. We're already playing.
Oh yeah, we're already playing.
I am the best driver for Liam. Liam's just chilling.
Yeah, I'm just being chilling. Yo, bro, you're cooking. But bro, you're cooking. Oh my god. Don't worry, I'll put over there for you. Yo, you're cooking. You're cooking. My bro's cooking, guys. Jackson, you're on screen record right now. I'm screen recording you. Jackson, I'm screen recording you. Oh my god. The thing we have the same weight on each side. Right? Oh dang, my bro cooked. My bro cooked this thing.
Stop!
Oh, my bro cooked this van up. Jackson, come look at this. What the heck happened to the tire? Bro, you cooked. Yo, it happened to the same one. It happened to the same tire back here. Yo, you cooked up this van.
What are you saying?
Wait, I'm gonna try and go in reverse. Oh,
Stop!
I'm trying to go in reverse. Well, I gotta fix up. Where I gotta go?
Parking brake on! Put the parking brake on! Put the parking brake on!
What thing?
Put the parking brake on! Is the parking brake on? Is it on?
No, I'm trying to
Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Put the parking brake on. Okay, start to drive forward.
Oh my god. Hey Jackson, can you say that to the people?
What?
Can you say that to the viewers?
No, I can fix it. I can fix it.
I already said it. You have to please talk to the viewers. It's absolutely funny. You have to show it to the viewers. Show the burn to the viewers. The viewers want to see where the van is. I show it to the people. Now that's the van down there.
Wait, I can fix this. It's working.
Wait, really?
I'm pulling it up.
But I'm getting cooked. Not like that. What am I? What am
Okay, I'm heading.
I?
Do you see what I used to get us out though?
Yeah. The front
I
is front.
have that.
You reset? Oh,
Yeah.
how do we restart?
Okay, we have to leave the game and rejoin.
Oh,
We have to leave and rejoin.
alright, we are back in our visa. We're gonna have another friend. Alright, guys. So it's more and friends. Did I just crash my game? Oh, no, I did not.
Liam,
Yeah?
Skylar's in one by himself.
Oh,
But where are you? Where are you? Did you join me?
I'm waiting. Yeah, I did. I'm waiting for Sky.
Oh, Skylar's already in a game.
Can he reset? Can he leave and rejoin?
No. He says he doesn't want to play with us because we didn't want to play with it.
But I will.
Oh, okay. Hey, actually, I'll call you back. I'm gonna call Skylar too.
Alright.
Call.
Oh, guys, we'll be back.
Freedom
We
is
Are you
celebrated.
gonna play?
And you forge the future with your own two.
No, what? You don't want to play with me?
Polaris, the
Why
American
do I
power
always
stations
have to play with you guys?
Okay, then you will have the best driver and best fixer.
What are you guys
fixed-
doing here? Hold up.
No,
Ashley, how do you
no,
already have a pet?
no.
How do you have an orange dumbbell already? What is going on here?
My dailies.
Your dailies. Hold up. How do I go to my daily rewards? Let me see real quick. Ashley, you've been playing this game for 2 days already?
Yeah, me and Emma been grinding. I don't know about you.
What is wrong with you guys? Wow. And look at us,
Liam.
Sage. We got literally nothing. This is crazy.
Yeah, we don't get anything on the first day.
Matter of fact, no, I got us. Since Emma and Ashley want to cheat and play this game before us, come here, guys. I'm going to gift you guys some pets.
Really? Play the game cheating.
Yeah, you played it
Skylar
early.
doesn't
That's why
wanna
I cheated.
play.
Anyways, Ava and
Skylar.
Sage, I'm going to get you guys one multi
Skylar.
for 3 new Robux.
Woo, yay!
That'll make things a little more fair. All right, I sent you guys some Robux, so you guys should be able to go ahead and buy one yourselves.
Ooh, I want to buy a molten egg.
All right, well, I just got a molten dog, so let me equip mine on real quick, and there we go.
That's literally the same thing that Ashley and I had.
Yeah, we'll see. Now it's all fair, guys. It's equal.
Well, no, Ava got the cat.
Oh,
Yeah, I got the cat.
is that a better one?
Aww, no, it's worse.
Oh, that's bad.
That's bad. That's bad.
That's kind of funky. But it's okay, Eva. I mean, at least we're still getting a bunch of strength and oh my
I'm
gosh,
joining,
guys,
I'm
we're
joining,
getting
I'm joining.
strength.
Oh,
Alright, well, let's test out what handstand simulator skills.
you're on camera.
I'm here.
Say out to the viewer. Say out to the viewer.
I'm here. I just committed.
Say out to the viewers.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Hello. Hey, Skylar, say what's up to the viewers. What's up?
Alright.
Okay, we're about to go join our game.
Alright. Make sure it's on screen. Alright. Oh! Get the bacon out!
Leave.
Get the bacon!
Leave.
3, 2, and...
Get it! Yes!
Alright, let's get low.
Get the metal plate.
Yeah, get the metal plate. It will help. It helps very much for me. Make sure to get these things. Make sure to get these things. We definitely need these things. I'm gonna keep bringing it back.
Let me drive. Let me drive. Let me drive.
Guys,
Guys, come sit on the bed with me. It's being chilling. Come sit on the bed with me. It's
Somebody
absolutely
put the.
chilling. That was
No, wait. We can't. We can't.
I used
We
to
can't start moving.
Alright. Alright.
Roll that to the side, Skylar.
Alright, you can go. That's my mom.
Liam, get in here. Get in here.
I want to see this one. Hello? Did you see me?
I'm on top of the world.
Hello?
We're okay up here. We're okay up here.
So guys, this is well look at that. Look at Austin. Look at what's up, Jackson?
Get out of my face. I can't see.
Alright. I'm going inside.
Get out of my face.
That's
I don't even know where we're going.
outside. Come inside and get on the bed.
Whoa! Whoa!
I told you not to go reckless driving before Liam started recording.
Why do you
You were jumping in my face. I can't see anything.
Yeah, but you look like a tiny bit of tea.
Wait!
Oh my god!
What a cold manager. Are you guys still here? Are you guys still here?
Yeah.
Who wants to sit in the passenger seat? Somebody sit in the passenger seat.
Alright.
Who wants to be the passenger princess? Okay, he's got it on top.
Oh, passenger this one.
We're not moving.
Alright, come back in. Behind.
We're not moving.
But what do you see the problem?
Rolling. I put the parking brake on. I put the parking brake on.
Jackson, am I?
Somebody close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Liam, are you just gonna sit back there?
Yeah. Tyler, stop.
Get out of my face! I can't see.
I'm sitting
And on the camp.
Yeah. And guys, we're gonna have a crazy moment. Literally with Sky. And that's you guys, do you wanna do a crazy moment with the viewers? Do you wanna do a crazy moment with the viewers?
Tyler, don't make noise up here. Don't make noise. There's about to be a super tight bridge up here. And I will fall off if you guys leave.
My head is down.
You want me to crash test or no?
No, I wanna
Then
go.
then tell Skylar to get out of my face.
Skylar, get out of this thing. Jackson, I'm kissing your head.
Skylar, get out of the front mirror. I fell off.
Stop it!
Stop the car! Jackson,
Hey,
stop the car! Oh, Jackson, get off.
where is he?
Probably on top of the car.
There it is.
He's
I'm here! I'm right here! I'm right here!
Stop the car! Stop the car! Oh,
I made it! I made it!
wait for me, Jack. Wait for me inside there. Wait for me inside
We made it!
there. Nice. What is that?
Jeez! Who's hungry? And there's apples and
I'm hungry.
Liam, you're not driving. You are not driving.
Who makes
You
me
will
feel
wreck
bad?
this thing in 1 second. Skylar, you in?
I want to drive it! Oh, drive it! I want to drive it!
No! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Drive, 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 drive. Drive, drive, drive.
Stop! Darling,
Drive.
you're the youngest. You can
Liam, you're not even moving. Let me drive. Let me drive.
I can't drive.
Okay, I'll be right back.
It's not really good. Now I'm driving.
Shut up!
You guys stay right there. I'll be right.
I'm driving. Get in the car.
Stop. I need to grab something.
And set the car. I'm messing with the light.
Start moving.
I'm just messing with the light.
What is Tyler doing on top?
No! Darling, get in the car.
What is this?
Internet so we can walk.
God. Wait. Let me fix this.
Everybody, Darling, get off the phone or I'm running you over.
Tyler, you're about to break the car.
Get up. Leave. Skylar, stop. Stop it. Skylar, stop. Skylar, I'm leaving. Oh! What's the plan over? What is the You need to find some coins. You need to find some coins.
Can I drive? I'll drive. Get out of the driver's seat. Let me drive.
I'll drive for the next checkpoint. I'm driving.
Okay, driving. Start driving. Start driving. Start driving then.
It's not working. Oh shoot!
The hill, I'm going up the hill.
Wait, do this. Do this.
Hold on.
Going up the hill.
Please,
We are going.
you fucking stop!
Skyler! Skyler!
Oh, I'm trying to put myself back over. Oh,
Here you go, Liam.
hold it on. Woo! Woo! There we go. Oh!
Got it!
And I took the car over. Please take the car over. Yes. Right. Please. Do not put the car over.
Stop it.
Yes. Oh.
Up. Get up.
Oh, thank you. Oh! Thank you, thank you. Woo! Now we have to do the going up. Up. Can you help me?
Click the brake button.
Brake. Oh my god. Oh, there we go.
No, not right there, Skyler. Right there.
That was... Alright, get the car up now. Can you get the car up? No! Please stop doing that. Please stop picking me up.
Click the brake button. Click the brake button.
I did!
3, 2.
I did! Well, that's unfortunate.
Boy.
Jackson, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Never mind. Yeah, can you get the car up there? Right about there.
Yeah, I'll get it.
You know you can put it in the ground too. You know you can put it in the ground too. Oh yeah! Put that! We're in!
Click parking brake.
Wait, I'm getting the... Oh! Oh! Oh yeah, we're in!
Oh, you just ran me over.
Oh, sorry.
Where's Skyler?
Oh my god! Tyler, get out the car!
Up here.
Oh my god!
Let's go, man.
Oh my god! Tyler!
Why?
Can you get me up, please?
on, getting you up. No, Jackson is.
I need to check that. Skylar, just check that. Skylar, did you just check it? Liam, let me have it. Let me have the driver's seat. Get out. I need to fix it.
But I'll get you back for the next section. Wait! I got you.
We need to bring it over here. We need to bring the truck over here.
Let me go here.
Over here.
Can you get me the phone? Can you get me the phone? Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Bring it over here.
Wait. I can't. I need to get this up.
No, we're not supposed to bring it up here.
Yes, we are. Where are we supposed to bring it up then?
There's a trail. Look at the ice trail down here. There's an ice trail.
Oh.
This is where we're supposed to be going. This way. Put it right here. Yep, right there. Stop. Put it right there. Yes.
Wait, let me put it on. Fire! Get it off!
What do you do? The whole entire RV's gonna fall down to the ground.
Now we need to put it.
Never mind.
Well, I figured out what we need to do. I need to get the back one.
Oh. Yeah, this is good.
Got it.
What is this again? Oh my God, this is so... Something. Oh! Something's happening with the truck. Yeah, we're dead. Okay.
Just pull it off the edge. Yeah. Put the front one up there. Is anybody up there? Put the front one up there. It's gonna bring the thing up there. Skylar, we need to jump down into here.
I'm bringing the truck up.
It's pulling us up. I didn't
Get
do it.
Hello. Okay, that's a bit. We are back, guys. Let me just do something. Let me just Bluetooth my headphones.
And it should still work, and it should.
Wait, let me try that
Stop.
again.
Skylar, Skylar, you're leaving us. Liam's not even here. Liam, where are you?
No, I'm connecting my headphones. I'm connecting my headphones.
Skylar, Liam's not here.
Oh,
Hey, where are you?
Skylar started to drive up the hill.
I'm hungry! Dude, I'm hungry! I'm at 20% hunger! I'm hungry, bro!
I'm hungry too, bro.
But I'm at 21% hunger! Hunger! Oh my gosh, I'm about to die! Bro, Jackson, do you have any food on you?
No.
Oh my gosh, bro! Why don't you have any food on you? I'm hungry. I'm at 18% hunger.
I'm bringing the truck over here.
I'm
Keep
at
walking straight.
17% hunger.
Walk up there, walk up there. Run up here, run up here, run up here, run up here.
I'm at 17% hunger.
Keep running.
Okay.
Run down there, run down there, run down there.
Okay.
I'll get back.
16% hunger. 16% hunger, bruh.
I'll get back to
15%
the truck.
hunger. Finally, a watermelon to eat.
Skylar. Skylar, keep driving straight. Keep driving straight. We're about to be to an end. Skylar, wait. You have to drive up a hill. You have to drive up this hill over here. Do you see me?
I won't be able to drive up there.
Let me get the welding. Let me get the welding thing then.
Guys, should I end the video? Should I end the video to send it on YouTube?
Sure, yes.
Alright guys, hope you loved this video and say goodbye. Bye bye!